Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Sarah, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, November 6th, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 30 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 43 and a low of 35, with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Logan, Abai.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks lost to the Montreal Canadiens by a score of 2-0. Clubs meeting today are Hoover Harmonics in the music room at 3 o'clock, Partners Club in the library at 3 o'clock, and tomorrow morning at 7:45, Puzzle Club in room 110. Now a message from Mr. Smelger.
Thank you, Sarah. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Monday. Morning, guys.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Happy National Nachos Day. Did you know that?
No.
Nope.
Yeah. Do either of you play the saxophone?
No.
Because it's National Saxophone Day as well. Pretty cool, huh?
My friend plays it.
Your friend plays the saxophone? All right, well, you guys have to celebrate. So you are here with a couple of announcements, right?
Yes.
All right, why don't you tell us?
Okay. Student Council has organized a food drive to collect non-perishable food items. The food drive begins today, November 6th, and ends Friday, November 17th. Our school goal is to collect 1,500 food items. If you do the math, that's approximately only 2 items per student.
To track our progress, each classroom will have a cornucopia to display outside of their classroom. For every 10 food items your class brings in, we will add a piece of fruit to your cornucopia. We challenge you to fill your cornucopias, Hoover.
Very cool. So as a school, we have a goal of 1,500 food items. And the special thing about our food drive is we donate all that food to the District 54 food pantry, which means it goes to families in District 54 and families here at Hoover. So it's especially meaningful. Thank you, guys.
Yes.
Do you have any announcements? Other announcements?
No.
No? Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah.
Good. Did you have a lot of homework?
No, I
No?
only had 1 page.
One page? Was it math?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. All right. Have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger.
You're welcome, Sarah.
Monday's motivation is believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-ups are brought to you by the 5th graders in room 116. Have a Milky Way Monday.